Hey YouTube, what? Ooh. Got some makeup on my face and it's not even for me. Oh my goodness. Don't mind me. A little bit here too. That just gets. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I'm up so early. I had to do graduation makeup for a young lady. This video is another big toenail art video. This one is a little different. You guys will actually see some troubleshooting in this video, and I'm going to voice that part over because I was trying to make a drag marble glitter blinged out butterfly. That's a whole tongue twister there. And you, like I said in the video, you guys will see I'm troubleshooting, trying different methods. And with art, there's always troubleshooting. You never always get it right the first time. No one's perfect. But it still turned out great. Minus the drag marble part. I just decided those two things together weren't working. So we just made a pretty blinged out butterfly. So if you guys want to see how I did the butterfly, keep watching. Okay, so we are starting with a white background. The white background is 020 by IBD Gel. I am going in with my black gel paint and very, very thinly, I am going to sketch out, sort of. Instead of using a pencil, I'm just kind of sketching out lightly where I want the wings to be placed. Like, I'm not doing full lines, I'm just kind of mapping it out, as you could say, where I want my butterfly placed. I don't want the entire thing on this nail. I just kind of want, you know, the one part of the butterfly more so than the rest of it. Once I am happy with where my wings are sketched out, I go in and thicken up the lines so that they are more solid and ready for the next step. Once I am happy with the lines I am making, I will cure those into place. Now that they are cured, I'm going to fill in the spaces that I just made with a pre-mixed glitter. This is Nail Innovations Premix glitter. This one is called Var-Carey-ous. It's the turquoise glitter. You guys have seen this in another video. And And I'm just going to take my glitter brush and fill in the negative spaces that I have made, and then I'm going to cure that. Okay, so after curing and wiping off the tacky layer, so my experiment here is I'm going to take a gel sealer and my black gel paint and see if I can't drag marble just the black so that in the negative spaces the glitter can still be seen. And the way I do that is I kind of line, you know, clear, and then in between the spaces, and you guys will see in the video here, the black, and then I attempt to drag it to the center point as I would if I was doing a regular drag marble. But I don't know if it's the consistencies or whatnot or anything, but they didn't want to drag, and I believe I concluded the problem in being actually the glitter underneath was too rigid, so I wasn't getting a smooth enough drag. Okay, let's see the first attempt, and I thought it was okay, but it was just kind of muddying up too much. It was just hiding the glitter. Just kind of looking at it, I was thinking, yeah, no. So I wiped that off, and I was going to give it a second shot, because when you're trying to, you know, experiment, you always want to try more than once. So then I thought maybe if I tried the black first or have a thicker line of black to drag from, that it would work. So I'm trying to place down the black first. And this is one of the great things about gel. If you're not happy, you could always wipe it away before you cure it. So here I just tried the black and then had a little bit of clear on my brush and tried to drag through the black to see if that would make it any better. And it sort of did, but I was still not happy with how much black there was. Like, it wasn't as dainty looking as I wanted it to look. So I thought maybe if I do the other ones, I might change my mind. So I kept going. I haven't cured anything yet, but I thought I would try a few different things. And then I just tried here on this little part, I tried just black, no clear at all, trying to see if it would turn out at all. But as you guys can see, I was struggling pretty bad to get this drag marble look to work for me. And I believe it was here I decided, no, we're just going to do a few lines over the glitter in the black and leave more of the glitter there to shine through versus having more black, if that makes sense. All right, so once I have cured my little design lines in place, I am now taking the black gel polish and I am extending the butterfly wing, kind of that black border that's traditionally on the outside of a butterfly wing, and accentuating it a little bit, giving it a little bit of shape. And this is also going to be, this part I'm working on here is going to be like, I get the main area of where all the bling is going to be on the butterfly. So I'm going to just thicken up the wings, make them look good, and cure them. Okay, so once cured, I am wiping away the tacky layer. And I'm going to use my Vealisa nail glue, and I will definitely give you guys an update in the next video. You'll see it on the nail glue. So I'm using various, there are 3 different sizes here of AB crystals and also some silver caviar. And I hope to goodness I'm not off frame this entire time, as I notice I'm pretty low on the screen. Oh, goodness gracious. I am taking a dotting tool right now. You guys can't see. But I am filling in that thick black border that I made. And I'm also going to put some where the butterfly body and antenna will be, as you guys can see here. I'm really liking this Vealisa nail glue. It tends to hold up pretty well. I don't know what is in it, but it's hard to see with me applying it, but there are small beads in it, and then they kind of settle down smoothly, and I don't know if that's what helps grip or whatnot, but this works fantastically. So now I'm just opening up my crystals because I didn't have them open. So pardon the blurriness while we wait for Bailey to open stuff up. Wow, so blurry, my goodness. So I'm starting with the larger crystals, and I apologize, I was unaware that the footage here was blurry. And I did 2 large crystals, and then a medium crystal. Oh my goodness, I hope this focuses so you guys can see better. And then smaller crystals, kind of all around. I'm so sorry about the footage at this point in time. I really do hope that I get my stuff in gear and realize what's going on. My goodness. And I'm adding one large and then smaller ones to the body of the butterfly, which you cannot see me doing. I'm so terrible, aren't I? It's pretty in the blur though. You can see all the sparkliness. And then I'm taking sheer brilliance and wetting the end of my detailer brush so that I can pick up caviar beads and place them in between the crystals. And oh my goodness, I am so terrible right now. I cannot believe I did not notice on my screen that this was not being seen until about this point. My goodness. Let me focus. There we go. My gosh. So you see, I'm just pressing it into the excess gel glue. We'll just call it glue because that's what the name of it is. But it's just a very good gel. So I'm just patting those into the space areas, and then I'll also line the antenna with it and cure it. And here I am adding a no white top coat, and now I'm going in between the crystals, like right up against them with my brush, but not over top of them, because if you go over top of your high quality crystals, they kind of get this like glazed over look and they don't shine. So whenever you're applying crystals, you want to go around them, not over top of them. You want to just make sure that little lip is covered. And that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to cure it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Sorry about the blurry fuzziness. Follow me on Instagram at bc_jazzy_time. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification to all. You will get notified every time I post. I post every few days. I don't know what the content's going to be, but it's content. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter at nailsb. But anywho's, I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.